Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix unable to load video and error occurred while loading a higher quality version of this video. So guys, if you have this type of problem on your iPhone, I'll help you how to fix this problem. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all you have to open your settings, and guys after this you need to scroll it down. And guys, here you can see the option of general. You have to click on this one, and guys you need to scroll it below. And guys, you will see here is the option of transfer and reset iPhone. Click on reset, and guys click on reset all settings only. And guys, after doing reset settings only, you need to go back. And guys, you need to scroll it below. Here you will see the option of software update. So guys, you need to check for update. If you have any kind of update, here you need to update your iPhone to latest iOS version. And guys, after this you need to go back, and guys after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after doing this, if still not fix your problem, maybe there is problem on your player. So guys, you have to open your app store, and here you need to search VLC. And guys, after this you have to install VLC media player on your iPhone, and guys you need to play that video in this player. And guys, after this you will be able to play your video without any interruption. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.